Google's just put out this tool called Learn Your Way, which allows you to reimagine textbooks for any different kind of learner. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. Unfortunately, I'm in the UK, so I have to be on this wait list. I've already filled out the form to be on here, but you can try it now. I think it's already available in the US and potentially some other territories all over the world. But what we're going to do is we're going to dive into the history of human evolution and migration. So I want to explore it like a middle schooler who likes photography. Now, the great thing about this platform is all you have to do is essentially upload documents and it will explain things to you based on any sort of activities or hobbies that you've selected that you like. So let's say, for example, we're talking about evolution for someone who likes photography. So millions of years ago, our very old ancestors climbed down from trees, started walking upright on the ground. Okay, so we can see here that it's saying they looked for better opportunities by working together and moving to new places, something that's certainly very true about the human species even till today. So we've got this, I'm not going to try and pronounce that. I think that is, well, maybe I should try Australopithecus afarensis. We'll just call her Lucy. So Lucy was a member of that genus, an ancestor that lived in eastern and southern Africa between 2.5 to 4 million years ago. Okay, cool. So we've got these interesting images. Homo habilis, essentially the handyman. And it says here, this replica of the skull shows an early human ancestor that appeared about 2 to 3 million years ago. Cool, interesting stuff. So we've got all this information, and here in bold, we've actually got this information being linked to photography. So it says, think about how photography has changed. For example, the first digital cameras became available to consumers in the late 1980s and early 1990s. But these complex devices didn't just come out of nowhere. They were the minds of clever engineers. In the early 1800s, camera obscura showed that an image could be projected onto a surface. That technology led to the first permanent photographs, which were difficult and time-consuming to create. Over decades, of course, now they're certainly very cheap, and over time these devices became smaller, easier to use. Okay, great stuff.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
I like the fact that it's shown quite a few interesting images, and it's also asked us to take a quiz to check our understanding. And then we've got different sections here as well. So whilst this tool may not be completely out for everyone, I think it's certainly something to keep an eye on. This is going to be an amazing tool, I think, when it comes out, because you can just upload any document and then use pre-existing sort of things that you already know or things you already like to actually learn about new information. Definitely a massive cheat code. Google certainly knows what it's doing. So yeah, definitely sign up to the waiting list if it's not available in your territory yet. And if it is, then yeah, absolutely crack on. I wish it was in mine. And I mean, in theory, you could always use a VPN. But yeah, this does seem like a great tool. And definitely keen to see how it develops.